Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best fishing reels that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Penn Battle Spinning Reel Kit. The Penn Battle Spinning Reel Kit in size 5000 is a comprehensive package that includes everything you need for a successful fishing trip. The kit features a high-quality spinning reel with a durable construction and a HT100 front drag system for smooth and reliable performance. The reel is designed to accommodate both right and left handle positions, providing versatility for anglers. Additionally, the kit includes a reel cover for protection during transportation and storage, as well as a spare anodized aluminum spool for added convenience. With the Penn Battle Spinning Reel Kit, you have all the essentials to enhance your fishing experience. Moving on at number 4, we have Penn Fathom Lever Drag. The Penn 1,292,935 Fathom 60L Lever 2-speed lever drag fishing reel is a powerful and versatile reel for serious anglers. With its lever drag system, this reel offers precise and smooth control over the drag settings, allowing you to adapt to different fishing conditions. The 2-speed functionality provides flexibility for varying retrieve speeds. The Fathom 60L is built to withstand the rigors of saltwater fishing, with its durable construction and corrosion-resistant materials. Whether you're targeting big game fish or bottom-dwelling species, this reel delivers exceptional performance and reliability. Experience the power and precision of the Penn 1,292,935 Fathom 60L Lever 2-speed lever drag fishing reel on your next fishing expedition. At number 3, we have Shimano Stratic Florida Spinning Fishing Reel. The Stratic Florida Fishing Reel offers impressive features for an enhanced fishing experience. With a transmission ratio of 6.41, it provides a balance of speed and power. Its line capacity is measured at 210 meters for monofilament line with a diameter of 0.25 millimeters. The line recovery rate of 94 centimeters ensures quick retrieval. Weighing only 225 grams, it is lightweight and easy to handle. The reel is equipped with 6+1 ball bearings for smooth operation and a stable drag system. The Stratic Florida Fishing Reel is a reliable choice for anglers looking for performance and durability on their fishing trips. At number 2, we have Akuma Coldwater 350 Low Profile Line Counter Reel. The Akuma Coldwater 350 Low Profile Line Counter Reel is a high-quality reel designed for precision and performance. With its low-profile design, it offers a comfortable and ergonomic grip. Equipped with a line counter, this reel allows anglers to accurately measure line length and target specific depths. The Coldwater 350 features a robust construction and smooth drag system, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. With its reliable line management and sturdy build, this reel is a great choice for anglers who require precise line control and durability in their fishing pursuits. Elevate your fishing game with the Akuma Coldwater 350 Line Counter Reel. And finally at number 1, Shimano Corrado DC Fishing Reel. The Shimano Corrado DC is a low-profile baitcasting reel specifically designed for freshwater fishing. With its advanced technology, this reel features a digital control braking system, DC, that offers precise and effortless casting control. The Corrado DC provides smooth and accurate performance, allowing anglers to achieve longer and more accurate casts. Its low-profile design enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during extended fishing sessions. With its high-quality construction and durable components, this reel is built to withstand the rigors of freshwater fishing. Elevate your freshwater fishing experience with the Shimano Corrado DC and enjoy improved casting and reliable performance on the water.